welcome to another edition of Jew or False. Are you ready to play?
I'm ready to play.
Question number 1, Jew or false? During World War II, Christian groups such as the Righteous Among Nations risked their lives to save Jews from the Holocaust.
Jew.
It's true.
Think about Oscar Schindler and
Yes.
Steven Spielberg did the wonderful movie Schindler's List.
Oscar Schindler saved over 1,000 Jews.
It's amazing.
Jew or false? Evangelical Christian communities have distanced themselves from supporting Israel in recent years, focusing more on domestic issues.
False. Evangelicals are the biggest supporter of Israel. Of course, that's where Jesus was born and lived, and his mom was Jewish, and his dad was Jewish, and he was Jewish.
Amazing. Was
Yes.
Jesus circumcised?
I believe so.
Jew or false? The Jewish and Christian communities in the United States have rarely collaborated on social justice issues, preferring to work separately.
False.
That's correct.
They've collaborated a lot. The Jewish people have always been on the forefront of the civil rights movement in the United States, always.
And Martin Luther King was very close friends with a famous rabbi named Abraham Joshua Herschel.
I have really been exposed to the way the Jewish community really fights for human flourishing everywhere.
Jew or false? Christian groups have raised funds to help restore Jewish heritage sites and Holocaust memorials.
That is true.
Amazing.
Because Jewish heritage, we feel, is Christian heritage, because we would not exist if it weren't for the Jews.
Jew or false? Jewish organizations did little to help Christians fleeing persecution during the rise of ISIS in the Middle East.
No. That's false. The Jewish people are always right there.
True. Jew or false? Christian and Jewish leaders in South Africa worked together during the apartheid era to oppose racial segregation and promote human rights.
That is true. That's what they do.
Jew or false? Jewish volunteers have helped rebuild Christian churches and homes in southern United States after natural disasters, working alongside Christian communities.
That's absolutely true.
Correct. We're getting good stuff here. Jew or false? After October 7th, Christian communities across the United States held fundraisers to help rebuild Israeli towns and assist the victims of the attack.
100% true. Christians have been raising hundreds of thousands of dollars to rebuild the kibbutzim. So many churches in the United States have contributed.
Why do you think it struck such a chord with the Christian communities October 7th?
The Jewish people are the biological family of our Jewish Savior. So we see it as our family being attacked. And when we saw it in such a brutal way, we had to do something.
Last question. This one goes for the gold. Okay, Jew or false? Christian humanitarian organizations such as World Vision and the Salvation Army partnered with Jewish charities to offer aid to displaced Israelis after the October 7th attack.
Well, as an ambassador for World Vision myself, I would say that's true. As Christians, we need to come alongside the Jewish people because we all need to fight together because we have the same values.
Thank you so much for playing. You did so well, and because of that, I have gotten you this beautiful...
Oh, thank you.
Yes, it's a Star of David with a cross in the middle as a token of Jewish-Christian unity. You're the best.
You're the best.